Hey, in this video, I'm going to go through my tactical arbitrage data and do like a speed sourcing thing of 10, 11 minutes, something like that. Try to see what I could find, trying to just go as fast as possible and finding something profitable. So I had a lot of scans running, so you could see, let's see, in this folder, hold on, let's just check out all the data. I'm gonna pull up a timer here. So this view data, I'm showing 279 out of 7,200 items. That's because I have a few filters on here, and I'll just walk through them. So I have all the sources. I have the rank for 30 days going up to 400,000. When I do the scans, it should take out anything that is 4% and below or above, however, you know. And then gross profit, I have $2 and above, ROI 20 to 150. In stock, I don't have selected. Price 12 and above, new sellers 3 and above. So pretty basic stuff. And what I'll do is I'll move all of these to that inbox where I have some other data from scans from the previous days that I had already moved over. So I'll go to my saved list here, I'll go to this inbox, and now I have 541 items. So what I'll do is I'll start a timer right now. We got 10 minutes going, and I will just see what I could find and go from there. And what I'll do is I will try to talk through it, my thought process, sort of what I'm thinking, both for myself and for anybody. Maybe it's beneficial. I'll try not to have too much dead space, and I'll try to keep the ums and ahs to a minimum. So these are all the sources. Lots of them were new, like this backcountry. I hadn't really scanned that before. So I will maybe try to just focus on the sources where I've already sourced from before, just to go from there. I do like Home Depot because I'm tax exempt. I do like iHerb just because I always like iHerb. Lowe's, tax exempt. We'll do Target, Ulta, and Walmart as well, just so we could whittle down lots of this data, because otherwise it becomes quite a chore. You start with lots of data, you scan thousands and thousands of items, and you want to whittle it down as much as possible. So we're looking at 383 items here. And what we could do is we'll do this by ROI. And lots of these high ones, lots of the times it's going to be a mismatch. See, this is quantity 6, and I bet you're just buying one of these. So what we want to do is filter it down even further. Source, oh, it's going to, sometimes it just, I don't know. I feel like you have to put in all your filters again once you click filter manager. You can't just, okay, so, what's going on? Okay, filter manager. Okay, so I go into the rank, I squash down, and what I'll do is I'll do gross ROI. I'll just do it to 100. Try to get the data as tight as possible. Sorry, a few minutes of this, you're just seeing me dink around. So mismatch, mismatch, mismatch. What I'll actually do is I'll do it by rank. So I've shown you these masks before in a previous video. I won't go through that again. And so you can just see there's mismatches. Let's see. Sort of like this guy. Pretty sure these are mismatches, 1.5 ounce. Oh no, this is 1.5 ounce. I'll take a look at this. Right? I think that looks the same. Coffee press. Revalved. This is a variation listing. It is a 2-pack. That's a 2-pack. We'll check this out. This could be good. And I'll dive into this one right now. I just want to see if this one is actually selling. So let's go to the variations. We'll do it by ratings. And we're looking for 1.5 inch, 2 items. So we want 1 and 1/2 inch, but we want 2 items. 1.52, so it's less than 1%. So that's sort of a bummer. Let's look at this, 24/7 hydrating, 1.5 ounces for $52. See, some of this data is maybe a little old. I don't have, see on the left you can see this green square. That means it's been, the data has been updated in the past 24 hours. Within 24 hours. It's $12. So what you would want to do is go over here and go to update data, go to update all, and then you would want to go through looking through it to have the most relevant data or up-to-date current data. Sometimes I do that and wait. Sometimes I go through. I mean, there's really no one best way, most efficient way to go through tactical arbitrage because there's just so much data. Okay, so for my 15% margin, I'd want to get this for $4. See, again, this is what's going on here. Okay, so the price went up, and this is why it was saying it's profitable, but now it's back down here. So I don't think that would be something I'd want. Oh, and this is going to be, I'm going to stop this or else I'm not going to be able to see the data. Sorry. Let's see, we will just, sorry, I only have a few minutes to find something. If I don't find anything, this will be stupid. Okay, so we could take a look at this guy. Spy optic. Skipping over hazmat. Something cream. Okay, this could be possible. Let's see, 4 ounces. This is 4 ounces. 4 ounces. $20. IP alert complaints. So that's one thing you got to watch out for. I just wouldn't do this. I mean, there are sellers on it. I just don't think I would do it. Plus the price is heavily inflated and it's not like it stays at that price. Here's this body scrubber, $10 from Target. What's going on here? Let's refresh this. So it sells for $18.45. And if I get it for $9.24, that meets my so it sells for like $20. $20. So if I did sell it for $19.99, which it's been at that, now it's even maybe a little more. I mean, the buy box right now is okay, $18.45. Sellers are going down. I think it'll go more to this $20 mark as sellers go off and people, you know, start raising their prices in the buy box. Not raising their prices, but the buy box goes to the next highest price. So this guy's got 18 at $18.45. He has 9. This guy at 9 is he's priced at 18. And you got this $19.99 number. So really, you only have 18 items left before the price starts increasing in the buy box. This listing is selling 1,500 times. There's 2 variations, so let's see what the variations are doing. Variations, come on, where are you at? What the heck? Let's reload the page real quick. We've got a couple minutes left on that 10-minute timer. Go to variations. Okay, so this is selling 20% on this listing. I don't understand. It's 13%, 21%, but there's only 2 So you might say, we'll just be safe, say 20% of 1500. That's 300. And now if we go to look at the sellers, okay, 17, let's say 20. So you could sell 10 of these a month if you want to just take the number of sellers. But after these guys sell, then it's, you know, these people who don't have very many in stock. So I would say you could definitely buy 10 of these. So 10 of these isn't going to be, you know, groundbreaking. It's going to be 27 bucks. But if you do that, you know, 4 or 5 times with products like these that you could just buy over and over again, because there's a strong possibility, looking at this Keepa, the price is consistent. As long as the sellers don't shoot up again and tank the price, you can just keep buying this over and over again. So that's what you're looking for. Hopefully through my rambling and mumbling and ums and ahs, you found something valuable in that. How I go through my tactical arbitrage data, you're just finding stuff, you're looking through it. Sometimes I'll look at only a specific store, because then I'll find 2 or 3 items, fill up a cart with the maximum quantities, and run through the checkout 2 or 3 times to get my quantities that I really want to sell. So there, the timer went off. Didn't find anything crazy, but if you keep digging through your data, you're gonna find better products. You're gonna find something you're getting $5 profit on that's selling 20 times a month, that you could sell 20 times a month. And that's a great product right there. And you just keep adding to your catalog, replenishing items that you can sell over and over again. If you found this video helpful, I got some more videos, and I will tag a good one to watch right now, and you can go check it out.